Hello children, welcome to biology class. We are discussing the lesson improvement in food resources. Last week we completed three important approaches to yield, the crop, quality and quantity. Today we can discuss storage of grains and a new topic, animal husbandry. Okay, so let's start with storage of grains. We know that storage losses in agricultural produce can be very high. Okay, two important factors, both biotic and abiotic factors, which are responsible for the losses. Biotic factors include insects, rodents, fungi, mites, and bacteria. In abiotic factors, inappropriate moisture and temperature in the places of storage is responsible for such losses. Okay. So, the factors cause degradation in quality, loss in weight, poor germinability, discoloration of produce. This lead to poor marketability. So, how can we get rid of this? These factors can be controlled by proper treatment and by systematic management of warehouses. Okay, so they include strict cleaning of produce before storage. Then proper drying of the produce, first in sunlight and then in shade. Then the third one, fumigation using chemicals that can kill pests. Clear? So that is about storage of grains. Now let's discuss a new topic in this lesson, that is animal husbandry. What is that? It is a scientific management of animal livestock. It includes various aspects such as feeding, breeding and disease control. Okay, so it includes different management techniques. And that is animal based farming include cattle, goat, sheep, poultry and fish farming. As the population increases and living standard increase, the demand for milk, egg and meat is also going up. So, the growing awareness of the need for human treatment of livestock has brought in new limitations in livestock farming. Thus, livestock production also need to be improved. Okay, so scientific aspects are necessary. Okay, so in this lesson we are discussing cattle farming, poultry, then fisheries, then apiculture. Okay, so first in today's class we can discuss cattle farming. Cattle husbandry is done for two purposes, milk and draft labor for agricultural work such as tilling, irrigation and carting. Indian cattle belongs to two different species, Bos indicus cows and Bos bubalis buffaloes. Okay, so here the diagrams are given. This is Bos indicus, this is Bos bubalis. Okay. Milk producing females are called milch animals, dairy animals, while the ones used to farm labor are called draft animals. Milk production depends to some extent on the duration of lactation period, meaning the period of milk production after the birth of a calf. So, milk production can be increased by increasing the lactation period. Isn't it? So we have to use different types of breeds. We can use both foreign or exotic breeds and local breeds. Foreign breeds include Jersey, Brownses, etc. They are selected for long lactation period, whereas some local breeds are available such as Red Sindhi, Shahiwal, etc. They show excellent resistance to diseases. So here we can make use of the applications of biotechnology. While explaining about crop improving techniques, we discuss about in vitro fertilization, that means production of hybrid varieties, etc. Like that, we can make use of some scientific applications from the field of biotechnology for improving a new variety. Okay, so now let's examine the diagrams of some exotic species. These are exotic species, so you can write the example of Swiss and Jersey. And these are some local varieties. Okay, this is Gir, Red Sindhi, okay, Sahiwal. Okay, you can write 1 or 2 examples. Okay, the two can be crossbreed to get animals with both desired qualities. Okay, that we explained already. Proper cleaning and shelter facilities for cows and buffaloes are required for human farming and for the health of the animals and for protection of clean milk as well. So animals require regular brushing to remove dirt and loose hair. Then they should be sheltered under well-ventilated roofed sheds that protect them from rain and heat. Okay, here you can see cow shed. The floor of the cattle shed need to be sloping so as to stay dry and to facilitate cleaning. Okay. Then about food. The food requirements of dairy animals are of two types. First one, maintenance requirement, which is a food required to support the animals to live a healthy life. Second one, milk producing requirement, which is a type of food during lactation period. So animals feed include roughage. Hay is an important example for roughage, which is because roughage is largely fiber. Then we can make use of concentrates which are low in fiber and contain relatively high levels of proteins and other nutrients. Then cattle needs balanced rations containing all nutrients in proper amounts. Besides such nutritious food material, certain feed additives, pellets and all, containing micronutrients promote the health and milk output of dietary animals. Okay. Then now let's discuss about the diseases. Cattle suffer from a number of diseases. The diseases, besides causing death, reduce milk production. So it affects our yield, isn't it? The healthy animals feed regularly and has a normal posture. The parasites of cattle may be both external and internal. The external parasites live on the skin and mainly cause skin diseases. Whereas the internal parasites like worms affect stomach and intestine, while flukes damage the liver. So infectious diseases are also caused by bacteria and viruses. So how can we get rid of this? By vaccination, proper vaccination. Vaccinations are given to farm animals against major viral and bacterial diseases. So that is about cattle farming. Okay. Hope you understand the topic well. Next class, let's discuss about poultry farming and fisheries. Okay, children, read the textbook thoroughly. We can meet in next class. Study well. Thank you.